Good morning, everyone. Greetings from the beautiful Bali Island, Indonesia. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, today we are going to explore the best of Bali within 13 hours tour, visiting stunning places in the center and northeast and south of Bali. This tour package provides free pickup and drop off at the hotel.
Welcome to Bali. Sit nicely. Discover the magical of the island with friendly and professional tour guide.
Our first visit is Ubud Art House Tours, then Ubud Swing and Instagram Spot, Tegal Lolong Rice View, Kintamani Volcano for lunch, Coffee Garden Tour, Ubud Sanctuary Monkey Forest, Tejanungan Waterfall, Jimbaran Bay for sunset seafood dinner, then transfer you back to the hotel. Thank you very much. 8 o'clock a.m. The guide will pick you up with a private vehicle at the hotel lobby. 8:30 a.m. Explore Ubud Artisan Houses tours to see and learn the culture and nature through batik maker, paintings, wood carvers, and silver gallery from generation to generation. This is a great opportunity for shopping on first price with numbers of ranks of items from standard, medium to highest quality souvenirs. Experience the thrill and beauty of Ubud Swings, one of Bali's most iconic Instagram spots you simply cannot miss. Set high above lush jungles, rice terraces, and river valleys, the swings offer breathtaking views and unforgettable photo opportunities. Feel the adrenaline as you soar through the air while capturing stunning shots that define the magic of Bali. Beyond the swings, Ubud is filled with perfectly designed photo spots, from bird nests and bamboo platforms to scenic viewpoints overlooking tropical landscapes. Every angle is picture perfect, making it a paradise for content creators, couples, and travelers alike. Whether you're chasing adventure or the ultimate Instagram moment, Ubud Swings combine excitement, natural beauty, and creativity in one unforgettable experience. Add this highlight to your Bali itinerary and take home memories and photos that will last a lifetime. Discover the timeless beauty of Tegal Lalong rice terraces, one of Bali's most iconic landscapes located just north of Ubud. Famous for its dramatic, layered rice fields carved into the hillside, Tegalalang offers a perfect blend of nature, culture, and unforgettable views. Walk along the scenic paths, breathe in the fresh highland air, and watch local farmers tend their fields using the traditional Subak irrigation system, a UNESCO-recognized heritage. The terraces are especially stunning in the early morning when sunlight highlights the vibrant green paddies. Capture incredible photos, enjoy a coffee at a cliffside cafe, or experience the thrill of the famous Bali swing overlooking the valley. Whether you are a nature lover, photographer, or cultural explorer, Tegalalang rice terraces promise a peaceful escape and an authentic Balinese experience that should not be missed on your Bali holiday. Kintamani volcano is situated in Bangli Regency. It's about 2 hours drive from Bali International Airport. This depends on the traffic situation. One of Bali's most breathtaking highland destinations, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, cool mountain air, and unforgettable dining experiences. Overlooking the majestic Mount Batoor and its vast crater lake, Kintamani is the ideal place to relax and enjoy panoramic volcanic scenery. The area is famous for its scenic local restaurants, where you can savor delicious Indonesian
1, 2, 3, 4. Another pose.
And international dishes while admiring the dramatic views of the volcano and Lake Batoor below. As mist drifts across the mountains and sunlight reflects on the lake, every moment feels peaceful and refreshing. A visit to Kintamani volcano is not just a meal stop, it's a scenic experience you will remember long after your Bali holiday ends.
And then visit Green Coffee Luwak Garden Tour, a plantation where Luwak, civet cat coffee, is produced, one of the world's most expensive coffees. After a short garden tour with the coffee expert guide, guests are served and offered a free tastings of Bali's traditional coffees and teas products. If you would like to buy a cup of the Luwak coffee is available optionally. The secret sanctuary Ubud Monkey Forest, famous nature reserve and Hindu temple complex. It is one of Bali's most popular tourist attractions, known for its lush jungle setting, ancient temples, and hundreds of free-roaming long-tailed macaques living freely in their natural habitat. Tips of visiting the Ubud Monkey Forest. Avoid direct eye contact with monkeys. Secure loose items. Monkeys may snatch sunglasses, bags, or food. Follow staff instructions for safe interactions. Visit Teganungan Waterfall. It is one of Bali's most accessible and stunning waterfalls, located just 20 to 30 minutes from Ubud. Unlike many of Bali's waterfalls that require long treks, Teganungan is easy to reach, making it a popular choice for travelers. Jimbaran Bay. Savor the ultimate Bali beachfront dining experience at Jimbaran Bay, where golden sunsets meet fresh ocean flavors. Stroll along the soft sands and choose your just-caught seafood, grilled lobster, succulent prawns, clams, or snapper, prepared with aromatic Balinese spices. Dine under the stars at candlelit tables right on the shore, toes in the sand, as gentle waves set the rhythm. With live acoustic music and a romantic, laid-back vibe, Jimbaran's seafood feasts are a must for couples, families, and food lovers with local prices. Pure paradise, one delicious bite at a time. Well, after the tour, the guide will transfer you back to the hotel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching our short tour video. We hope you have more knowledge for the best holiday and travel plan to Bali. For more details or to make bookings, please open the link on the description. Looking forward to exploring the best of Bali with you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. BaliWonder.com, professional travel planner with affordable fares.